Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to animate Canva text. Now, if you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now, first of all, just click on the text. Just go over here on top and click on Animate. Now, in here, you can select your animation. For example, I'm going with this typewriter, or you can select whatever animation you want. You can also make this text appear on click. Just enable this option, appear on click, enable this, and after that just go over here on top right corner and click on share, click on see all, and just select present. Okay, now just click on present. Now just see the magic. Just click on the presentation with your mouse, and as you can see, the text is appearing on click. So that's it for the video. Thanks for watching.